Hello everyone, my name is Chintu Sharma. I'm going to tell about how to get started with the Kaggle competitions. Going on to the kaggle.com. Uh, we need to select competition in the left top corner, and after selecting competitions, we have the features competitions. Here are the active competitions which I have joined, and after clicking any competitions, there are competitions also conducted by Kaggle. These two are competitions which are conducted by Kaggle itself. We can see also other competitions which have join competition button and also reward points. Here is the overview of the competition and the data set. So we are not going to continue. We are not going to continue with that competition. We are going to continue with this competition, which is conducted by the Kaggle itself. This is the basic competitions conducted by the Kaggle. This has a simple challenges like predicting a normal value. The we need to the competition has get started at the 1st October 2025 to 31st to 2025. It has a time period of 1 month, and let's get started with our data. What should we do? We are provided with train.csv, test.csv, and sample submission.csv. It has the correct format in which we need to submit our file. So how where should we submit our file? Here is a prediction button. So this is the button where we can submit our file. We can just select our submission file, like this, and search for the submission file if we have. Currently we don't have any submission file, so let's continue. We can also submit our notebook. So just we need to predict the accident risk with the given roads, as shown in the overview. Uh, So in the overview, there is a this sprint previous and in providing interesting and approachable data sets for our community practice this machine learning skills and anticipated a competition each month. We need to predict the likelihood of the accident on the different types of road. So we are provided with a data set, and submission file should be have the ID column and accident under risk column. These are the columns, and here is the data. Data has as shown previously train.csv. How we should code. So coming on to the code tab, you need to go to your work where we need to create a notebook. After creating a notebook, we will see here a notebook created with random name. Moving on to the notebook. I have already opened my notebook. So this is my notebook. We can see in the starting only this cell will get created. We need to run this automatically will be created this cell. So we need to run this cell. This cell is created by me recently. So we need to import. So this the Kaggle means Kaggle website is run on a Linux server. Linux, so we can see all the Linux directory system in this, and mm, so this is running. It will show three files test where our three files as shown in previously in the data set data tab. Uh, that is the submission.csv, how our submission should have, and uh, duplicating above one, and copy pasting the sample.csv to see what is present in the sample. uh, okay, sample. Let run. So this is a This is all the probabilities, accident risk, and IDs, and this these are the call S numbers, which are like, it does not present in the CSV file, but just to show it, we the code is given with it. It is not present in our CSV file. These two columns are present in our CSV files, and these are the locations where the uh, path where our files are placed in the Linux server. So train.csv is used to train our model, and test.csv is used to test our model. So in the test.train.csv, the there is a column, there is a column of column accident.csv. Uh, okay, I have run the test.csv. We can see that there is no accident risk column present here. But when I try to run the train.csv, uh, we can see that there will be a accident risk column. So we can see that there is an accident risk column, whereas the test.csv did not have that, uh, means the column of accident risk. This accident risk is a probability that is between a probability between 0 and 1, as described here in the in the data itself. So it should have an ID column accident, exactly this, uh, exactly ID column should have, it should not be capital, and this accident risk also should be exactly the same column, same name convention. The accident risk is between a 0 and 1. The file should contains a header file and have format. What are the metrics in which this our submission file will be evaluated is, the submission are evaluated using root mean square error between the predicted and observed target. So this is okay. Let's go on to notebook. So after notebook, okay, how can we submit it? So this is a Kaggle competitions command line. We can simply copy it and place here with a exclamatory mark before. Exclamatory mark simply we can able to run it using a exclamatory mark by placing exclamatory mark before the command. It is like running in the Linux bash terminal. We can see that the kaggle.json file is not present here. So we need to place a kaggle.json file over here. So to have the kaggle.json file to be present here, we need to go to our profile, um, your profile, and in the profile we need to go to settings. In the settings we need to scroll down and create a JSON, create a new token. The previous token will be get expired if we have already created one. So it is get the kaggle.json file is created. So we are opening it. It will go open in any default file. For me, the it is opening in code, VS Code. So this is a file format where we have a this representation where we need to copy it, and then go to the Kaggle notebook, and we need to mark exclamatory mark, then echo, and then this, and in kaggle.json file. Okay, so this get stored in kaggle.json. After running it, it got executed successfully. And if we run the above command again, we will see uh, we will not see any error. Let's run it again. It got executed. So hello everyone. So this is a download.data. We just copied it, copied the command, gone to the Kaggle editor, and then Kaggle we pasted the code here, um, and we are making a directory in config.kaggle. Then yeah, echoing our code. This is the code we have copied from the uh, settings, kaggle.com settings, and then moving on to and creating a new token. Uh, Creating a new token. Our token get downloaded. Kaggle.json file is downloaded, and mm, after downloading, it will contain this JSON file. We are echoing it. Means okay, with a exclamatory mark on each command, because it will going to uh, execute in command line, and we are going to execute it. Okay, it is created, I think. We are going to also execute it in the command line. uh, it is running, downloading. We can download sample.json file, test.json file, and other files. If we wanted to submit the sub if submit.json file to our this playground using our Kaggle competition, we can uh, submit our submit.csv file also, using submit Kaggle competition submit dot dash c, our playground series, then submit.csv, and my first submission, any commit, random string, we can give anything. Submission.csv, and this cell is created by default by when we create a new notebook. We can see this cell. After running it, we have these three paths of a submission.csv, and now we need to, as shown here in the competition description, we need to predict make a model and make prediction, and make a root, and our metrics for this evaluation of this competition is root mean square. After we need to make a file, and write a file to this default directory. I will write a sample code here. Mm, so we can also, if we have a submission.csv file, like if we store pd dot uh, csv. We are just, for example, if presently my code does not have a CS submission file, I cannot discuss the code. Mm, means I cannot show the data set. It has a file not found error. Okay, so we can copy complete file, or else just I can just I have already wrote imported the sample.csv above. I'm just going to mm, sample. Okay. Hmm. Sorry, bro. This is not right. CSV. It is 2 under root CSV, and I'm going to run it. So it present in the local repository. I have sample.csv and submission.csv. Okay. So here I have the submission.csv in my local file. I can just download it by this code from my Python display import file link. It will get created, not getting downloaded. So this got downloaded, and after download, I can just submit my prediction file, browse the code, uh, and go through downloads submission.csv and just submit it. We can see here the submit button. It is getting uploaded, and after uploading we can submit it. It will have the recording. At present, this is just a sample, not a real one. This is the walkthrough of all the how to compete. Mm, in the Kaggle competitions. Thank you.